read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Our today's number is number 14. What are the expected learning outcomes? The student is expected to count, identify, and trace the numbers up to 14. Order and sequence numbers to 14. So, first of all, take some flashcards. Some different numbers like 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay? After that, you will show this picture of 14 sparrows to the students. You will not count the sparrows. Student will count the sparrows. You will just ask how many sparrows are there. So, you will count with the students same like that. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 10 and 4, 14, 10 and 4, 14, 14 sparrows. How many sparrows are there? 14 sparrows. 14 sparrows chatter cheerfully on the tree. 14 sparrows chatter cheerfully on the tree. After that, you will say to all the students, spread your arms wide like wings and spin in a circle. Okay? After that, you will take different things. You could take the material from your class, from the students. You could collect books, notebooks, pencils, crayon colors, pencil colors, erasers, sharpeners. You could go outside for nature walk. You could bring different kinds of leaves, stones. Okay, display some things on the table. Individually call the students and ask them to count the leaves, to count the stones, to count the crayons. Okay, after that, their sense will develop how to count different objects. After teaching this, we will teach them how to write number 7, how to trace number 7. Start from the dot, come straight down. We will join dots to dots. We will join. Okay, come straight down. It will make number 1. Start from the dot. Come straight down. Make sleeping line. Another straight down. It will make number 4. Okay. 10 and 4, 14. Don't teach to the student that 1 and 4, 14. No, the number 10 and 4, 14. Write on the whiteboard. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. You will display 10 leaves on right side and 4 leaves on the left side. And then they will count. And after that, they will count 10 and 4, 14. How many leaves are there? 14 leaves. Very good. Okay, I hope so you understood how we have to teach number 14. In the start of the lecture, I told you about flashcards. Now, individually call the students, or you could go to the students and show the flashcards to them, like number 11, number 13, number 12, number 14, random, and ask from them that which number is this. I hope so you enjoyed a lot and you will teach with happy face to the students. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.